say, what we did here, guys, was 50-50 sugar and salt, about 4 hours, and placed it inside in here, 657 degrees core temperature. I want to serve it. We could serve it like this. See, very little protein or egg white coming from the fish. It cooks very, very gently. I'm going to break it here slightly, lads, just to show you exactly what it's like on the inside. Perfect. And just serve it with a bit of salt, some pepper. As we were saying earlier, guys, how flexible this machine is. We have here salmon, cooked very, very slowly, first marinated. Pulled pork was put in last night, preheated the unit, then I set a temperature of 80 degrees. Don't forget, we've got an overshoot in this one, so it went to 88. The unit inside had 110 degrees, and I held it hot at 80 degrees. And then today, at about 2 o'clock, we pulled it out and we saw it. It was just perfect. You can see it here, guys. It is just. Now, any kind of sauce can do with that. I prefer myself something like a bittersweet Cajun sauce. What's also nice is a bit of soy and sugar reduction. Get it sticky, barbecue-y, anything like that. Perfect. You also saw there was very little actual waste or reduction in size from the pork. Absolutely perfect. We have now our bread that we've had in here for the last 35-40 minutes. Still beautiful and fresh. It's perforated. So the bread inside, even though it's on hold, will not dry out, will not get hard. It'll stay beautiful and fresh. And soft, which is the main thing. So even hamburgers, buns, and so on. Our pork with some coleslaw. Some rice. Maybe some salad. Another meal coming straight out of a small Cook&Hold. I'm just showing you here the flexibility of having one of these units inside in a kitchen, what you can hold in it, what you can cook in it, and how good the food looks when it comes out. Very simple meals, pita bread with pulled pork, all done inside in the Cook&Hold. The salmon in the Cook&Hold as well. Basically, I'll turn it upside down to show you how beautiful this salmon is. That's it. Thank you.